Hello guys, welcome to another video on EdTech channel. On today's video, I'll be designing navigator menu indicator. So whenever I place my mouse on those menu, you can see it keep moving along with the name. So I will be accomplish this using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All right, let's go straight to my code. So I'm gonna open the code editor. So here's the title, which is animated navigator with a what's it called, the channel name. So under this first method, so I'm going to create another method. So name will be view spot and the content will be width equals to device hyphen width comma here that the scale 1 to 0. So in between here I'll be creating a URL, so which will be list. So here's the li the list along with the link. So in between this link, I will create what's it called the um text. So go to and close the text. So I'm just gonna copy that to duplicate that to be 5. All right. So as you can see that, so in between this text, I'll be put my what's it called, that's the home, and here's the account, and down here I'll be having create. Here will be settings, and the last one will be chart. So that's it. So let me quickly go to this what's it called, it's a ionic site. So from here, let me click on those usage, and down here I'll be copy the script links and go back to my HTML code to paste it down here. So down there you can see like that. So I'm just gonna go back, click on that. So in the search posting, I will type home. So the what's it called, the that's the link, that's the code right there. So I'm just gonna copy that, go back to my HTML and come right here to paste it there. So I will do the same to the second one. Type the user to copy the what's it called, the code here, paste it down there. So I'll do that to all the same thing will applicable to all. So the same thing goes to the create. So that will be plus. So I'll copy it as well. So I'm just gonna type settings. You can see that. So you can click up any settings button of your choice. So I'll be doing that. So I'm gonna paste it right here. And the same thing goes to the chat. So all right, so I just pasted it right here. All right. So so I'm just gonna check that on my live server. So let that load. So you can see that is what we just created. So let's come back to the CSS. So that should be, sorry, that should be start. All right, so the margin will be 0. So the pattern will be 0. The box size, and that should be border box on the font family. So we're gonna have the pumping command along with the sans serif. All right, so that's for that. So let's type her body. So the display will be flex. So the justify content, so that will be center. So the align item, so that should be center as well. So the mean with I, sorry, so that will be 100 VH. So the background, so we're just gonna specify what's go color for that. So you can set a background. It looks like that. So then I'm just gonna start the URL from the HTML. So the position will be what's good will be relative. So the display will be flex. Um, the justify content will be center. So the highline item will be center as well. So down here we're gonna have the gap inputting those text. So the gap will be 10 pixels. So the padding, so we're gonna have a padding to be 10 pixel and 60 pixel. So the background, gonna add that color to the particular text background, to the what's it called, those icon background. So the border radius, so that will be 30 pixel. So the UL along with the li, so I'm gonna type both together. So the list style will be none. So just gonna copy that along with the what's it called the A, which is the link. So the position will be relative. The text decoration that will be none to remove those black dots. So the display will be flex. The justify centered. Content will be centered. So the align item will be centered. So the width will be 80 pixel. The height will be 80 pixel as well. So the Z index that should be 10,000. So that should be 10,000. All right, the color. So let's add a color. So that'll be, yeah. So that'll be #355. So I'm just gonna copy down here. See, now we had what's it called this icon. I mean icon to style that to make it looks beautiful as well. So the font size that'll be 2.5 em. So here we're gonna have a text transition that'll be 0.5 s. So I'm just gonna copy that. So here I'm just gonna add it over. So the color, so the color will be what's it called? So let's specify the color for that. So the color will be this. That should be D7 FETZ. D no, then that should be D. All right. So that's the color. So the filter will be drop shadow in bracket 0, 0, 15 pixel. So I'm just gonna copy that color and paste it right in this bracket. So wait. So I'm just gonna copy that, paste it right in, and change that one to active. No, that should be over. The down will be active. Right. So let me style that. The color will be this as well. So I just copy that to paste it right there. So that's the color. So the filter will be drop shadow 0, 0, 50 pixel. So along with the what's it called, the color as well. So the transform that'll be translate y in the bracket. So that should be minus 50 pixel. Yeah. So down here under the list, I'm gonna create a marker with the marker will be the ID, so the div ID. So that will be hash marker. So the position will be absolute. The top that will be 0. The width will be 80 pixel. So the height I'm gonna have 80 pixel as well. So the background, so that will be your Sham 5565 0. So that's the background for that. So the background radius that'll be 20, and the what's it called, the border top that'll be 2 pixels solid and along with the color. So sorry, that was border radius. All right, the border I have left, that's 2 pixels solid along with the what's it called, with the color. So the box sizing that will be 0, 0, 0, 10 pixel. So add the color to that. You can see it at the right hand side. It needs to look perfect in power. So this one is 0, 2 pixel, 0, 9 pixel. Right. So just copy that. That'll be this before. So the content, there'll be nothing there. So the position will be absolute. So the top, that'll be 20 pixel. So the left will be minus 30, so the width will be 20, so the height will be 20 pixel. So the background, so that will be transparent. So the border top, I have been right. So that will be that. So the box shadow, so that will be 40 pixel. Um, my notes. I haven't, what's it called? That should be 4 pixels. So I have a 4 pixel, 0, 4 pixel along with the color. Yeah, so along with the color. So you can see that it looks really nice. So let's come right there. So there's a mistake there. So just copy the in front of the over and the in front of the active. That active should be third active. So raw. So here and then add the class which should be active here. So that makes it look all the right there. So everything's normal now. You can see that the icon move up. So the top will be minus 30 pixel. So you can see that it's in between the what's it called, the box. So I'm just gonna copy this. Then I'm change the before to after. So I'm gonna change um so I'm gonna change this. Hold on. So I'm gonna change the left to right. So I'll come down to the border top. So I'm changing that one to left here. So yeah, so I'm changing the box shadow to -4. So as you can see that it looks very right. So I just copied the old this there. So I had the text to style the URL list with the text. So the position will be absolute. So the pointer event will be none. So the transform, so the front will be translate Y. So in bracket 50 pixels. So opacity, that'll be, what's it called? That should be 0. So the font size, that's 0.8 em. The right, the transition, that'll be 0.5 pixels. So the text decoration, that should be uppercase. All right, so I just gonna copy that and paste it right here. So I'm gonna cover the what's it called, active. So that will be dot active text. So I'm gonna start that. The opacity will be 1, and the color. So let me add the color to that. So we have a color. So that's the color for the text. So no, this should be text transform, not text decoration, right? So that's it. For that you can see it change to uppercase. So here the filter drop shadow, so that will be 0 0 10 pixel, and just gonna have the color, yeah, to that. So that's the color. You can see that it looks really right. So I just gonna know the opacity to make it look some transparent. All right, so I'm just gonna add spam to this div right here. So let me copy the what's it called, the spam. So the marker along with the spam. So let me quickly style that. So the position will be absolute. The width, that'll be 120 degree. So the left will be 10 degree, and the sorry, was the height will be 30 pixel. Will be 30 pixel. So the background, so there's a color for the background. So the top, wait, I'm changing to 115. You see that? So let me add the left should be -10 degree. So down here the box shadow, that's 0 0 10 pixel. So along with the what's it called, the color. All right, comma. So let me add 0 minus 2 pixel, so 0 to the 9 pixel. So along with the color, all right. So the back border radius, that'll be 20 pixels to make it look cool. You can see that. Hold on. Okay, the border bright, so 1 pixel solid with the color. So what's it called? The border bottom 1 pixel solid with the color as well. All right, you can see that looks great, right? Beautiful. Let me. All right, you can see that. My mouse on that, each of the box kept glowing. So let me change this to 120, and I'm going right to the marker to change to minus 40. All right, you see that? So it looks let's go great. So let me come here to this and change to 122 to make the text be in between, to be in the middle. You can see that. So all right, so let's quickly start the script, the JavaScript for that. So I'm just gonna link my script. So that's the link through. So I'm creating the script file right here. So I'm gonna start. What's it called? The marker equals to the document dot query selector all. Sorry, not selector, just query selector. So in bracket we have the marker there. So let the list equal to the document dot query selector all. In brackets we're gonna have the UL and ULI. So down here function moving indicator. So in brackets I'm just gonna put that there. So I'm gonna open the curly bracket. So marker dot style dot left equals to what's it called, equals to e dot offset left. You can see that. So that will be equals to pixel. So I'm just gonna copy that to duplicate that. So the marker as well style. So I'm changing that to width. So that is offset width. So and here that minus is gonna change to plus. All right. So down here we're gonna select the list dot for each in that bracket. So link or all right, link equals to greater than. So we're gonna open those curly brackets. So inside we're gonna have link dot add event listener. Open this what called the bracket and just type click. So event listener click comma. So in bracket we have the e. So equals to greater than. So move indicator. In bracket we have e dot target. So that will be our target. So something is wrong. All right, so I'm just gonna add hash to my maker and change this left right here to width. So that's the mistake. So you can see that. So it moves, but it's not yet to work perfectly. So under this, I'm gonna add the what's it called, the pointer event. So that will be none. So pointer event will be none. You can see it's moving on the particular what's it called, the icon, but it's not well arranged. So down here I'm gonna add a transaction will be 0. So the way it moves to make it moves a little bit faster. So down here I'm gonna add what's it called under function just to make it look beautiful. So to work perfectly. So the function active link, active link in brackets. So I'm gonna open the call bracket. So in between this bracket, list a dot for each, and bracket will be item greater than or less than. So down here we have the item, the class list dot remove. So in bracket we have active. Oh, sorry. So there's a mistake there. So I'm just gonna copy this and come right into this bracket and just paste this right here. So I'm gonna copy that and put it there. So that it should be like this. Right. It should be like this. Alright, so you can see that. So down here, this dot class list dot add and bracket, that'll be, yeah, that'll be active. So down here I'm going to create another line which is list dot for each. So bracket, now open a bracket inside the item is equals to greater than. All right, item, that'll be, hold on, that'll be item dot add event listener. So open a bracket, so that will be click. Come out, and we have our active link. All right, so I'm just gonna close that with semicolon. So all right, so you can see that it's working perfectly. You can see that. So it look great and beautiful. I know you will love to design this. All right, guys. So that'll be all on this video tutorial. As you can see, we just create a magical navigator menu indicator. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and feel free to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question, just feel free to drop it on the comment section. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you on another video.